Yes.
May it lordship, my lord, I wish to mention item number 31 and 32, my lord. It is not received, my lord.
Any interim?
Interim, my lord.
When?
Hello, on 29th of September. First week of October. On 4th of October.
Interim.
31, my lord. Deeply obliged. Deeply obliged.
It is your lordship. My lord, item number 39 also, it's a 430 application. Possibility case diary is not here, my lord. I'm on interim, my lord.
38.
39, my lord.
On 410, my lord.
14. Interim.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
May I please your lord?
Yes.
If I beg to mention item number 54, sir. APF for the petition and taken the concept from the response. APF for the response.
54.
Obtained from Delhi requesting a specific date if possible.
To give a date,
And I request for 12
12th of September, possible? When 8 meters. 20. 13.
13. 13. It's actually for hearing.
Huh. 13th or 14th?
Could it be 14th?
14th.
14th of September. The interim may kindly be
Interim order. Continue till.
applied. Highly obliged.
Yeah, please, your lordship. First, I beg to mention item number 30. 30. I've been informed that FSL is not received.
An interim?
Interim is there, lordship,
Interim.
but FSL is not there. FSL report, lordship.
Earlier one FSL report was called for, that FSL report not yet received, my lord.
Any interim?
Interim is there, my lord.
Okay.
On 410, my lord.
On 410, the FSL report is produced along with the case.
Not obliged, my lord. Interim order is
May please, your lordship. In item number 19, we have filed an IA application for withdrawal of Kalasnama on behalf of resolution number 2. Kindly call the same, my lordship.
Item number
19.
19 is adjourn or what? Some adjournment application given,
Adjourn,
but okay. Call it.
obliged.
May I please? Actually, due to my personal difficulty, my lord, I beg to mention item number 56,
50.
6, my lord. Supplement. Can it be on Monday, my lord? Or 31st?
What is the total period?
1 year, my lord.
No. Conviction,
10 years.
10 years.
Right.
Not possible on Monday. Yes, sir. When?
On
What is the offense?
offense, my lord, 376.
Before October, not September is full.
My lord, it is IA on the medical ground, my lord. Medical report was called for from the jail authority. So that, if possible, September, any date, my lord.
20. September 20.
Another prayer, my lord.
Only considered.
Another prayer, my lord, 1 April, my lord. That was fixed on last week of June, but not listed today, till today. Can it be on
Go to that senior bank.
senior bank?
May I please,
Yes.
mention item 42. Very serious, not.
Yes, but about
Yes, my lord, 42 case diary not received, my lord.
any interim? No. No interim. Even early.
On 31, 8 months.
Huh?
31.
42.
40.
31.
Obliged.
Possibly, yeah.
May I please, the lordship. First, I beg to mention item number 49, lordship. First, here we are not pressing this matter, lord.
49.
49, lord.
Ram Avatar Sohan.
Yes, yes, Lord.
Okay, you are Mr.
P. Mojumdar, Lord.
Mujumdar. Dismissed on. Withdrawn.
Oblige, Lord.
Yeah, please, your lordship. I beg to mention supply list item 55.
55. Yes, AB bail hearing.
CD received.
Matter may be adjourned for a week.
That fellow.
Lordship,
Rasdeep.
That
in
fellow.
every occasion they used to take time, Lord.
Nothing will happen.
My senior is not in good health.
Oh.
It is there. That vehicle dealer fellow
Yes, and this is,
promised many people to give
Yeah.
trucks and
Lordship.
earlier we rejected in
yes,
some other case or
Yeah.
same case.
same case.
This is third time
No, my lord, there are many cases pending
Many
against
cases,
the
Lordship.
and he is not cooperating.
No, Lord.
Not cooperating. According to case diary earlier also you have rejected because
Uh,
he was not cooperating. You can have an adjournment, no problem on that. But fate is foregone. Conclusion is foregone.
Yes.
When?
around 38.
Friday? Friday? It
Friday.
is, yeah, na?
Yes, well, Friday.
Friday.
With due consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 18, Lordship. I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Ayaz Tekia. He is out of station, Lordship. I pray for adjournment of this matter.
Item,
18.
we will release it from Parkert. An adjournment prayer on behalf of the petitioner is made. Prayer is allowed. However, this matter should not be treated as part or any further.
Oblige, Lordship.
Yes, your lordship. I beg to mention item 24 and 25 stated
20,
24 and 25.
yes,
Mr. M. Bora is on leave. Here on September.
yes, what about
Yes, well, item number
24 and
24 and 25. Well, LCR received LCR call.
what is okay? If he is not here, when?
for 1 week.
On my lord, 31.
31,
There is an interim order in item 24.
24,
Maybe
I think
continue.
order. Washing plus bail or what?
Yes,
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number
Item number
40.
1
Case
4
diary is not available. 40.
4 0. Yes, what
40,
about
my lord, case diary not received.
any interim?
No.
Huh?
No.
Give a date
On 38.
308. No interim.
Yes, your lordship. I beg to mention item.
1 7.
I am appearing on behalf of Peter.
Huh.
He is not well. Kindly
Will not be well. When? Friday.
Sorry, my lord, regarding item 56, my lord, the lordship please to fix it on 29, 20 September. Can it be possible on 18, my lord? Because some
No, no. We are supposed to give you a date in the month of October. Somehow she managed the date since you are saying health condition.
18 September is possible. 20 out of 5 will be out of the case.
I can understand, but we have also our
My
difficulty.
lord,
We are fixing date. See, this method item 17. Then other item 42. We will fix it that we will decide this matter. And problem of this court is that we express the views in
Okay.
17.
Yes.
This was I have not gone through the file, but most probably they are inside and worker in a restaurant lady was gang raped and they have come for questioning. We have given adjournment. Our party with everything is gone with. Your matter is fixed today. You have your personal difficulty.
20,
25th.
on 20, 20 on 20. 20.
Okay, please, your lordship.
Yes.
I beg to mention for item number 14.
14 years.
Lordship, my
40 already adjourned, my lord. 40.
1
one
4.
for one.
1 4.
The senior counsel is out of station.
Who is senior counsel?
MH Shah,
Senior counsel M.H. Ahmed.
one of his relatives has
Okay.
expired today.
Adjourned after 3 weeks. City.
May Lordship, there I have to submit something.
Yes, some submit.
Lordship, the only non-bailable section in this case is.
Oh, forget about it. You have
No, law point.
created a
I-
chaos in the area.
I
Be
am,
there. Coming out, you will do something more.
Sir.
Why don't you file the charge sheet? Statements are recorded.
Yes.
Let him be inside.
some law point.
Yes,
In this
Largo
case,
law.
Honorable Supreme Court Ernest Kumar.
Ernest Kumar explanation is given that you are a menace to the society. This is not the first incident.
And-
You have done it earlier. You were taken to the police station. They did not arrest you
Yes.
and said that we will not do.
And
And explanation is given why Ernest Kumar is not followed.
under
We are
section-
satisfied with that.
under section 41, yes, here to see, this is not taken. And if.
We will
your-
consider the next step.
14-9.
This is not a case for people like you should be inside. You will enter a house of a helpless lady and ransack the
Yes.
whole house. And not only that, you did it earlier. They went to police and police was sympathetic to you. So say taking an undertaking, say don't do it later. Moment you come out, you will do the same. City.
Satyendra Kumar until another.
Do you want a rejection order right now? Okay, Argo. Okay. Give us Chandra Kumar until.
In the last page,
Okay. You want a rejection order? We'll describe that.
No,
What is it.
on our hypothesis,
Heard Mr. R. Dekal, learned counsel for the petition. The present application is filed under section 439 of Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 for granting regular bail to the petitioner in connection with Itanagar PS case number 128/2020-2023 under section 448, 325, 341, 354, 354B and 427 of the IPC. The FIR discloses that a helpless lady has been
police,
Huh?
police, woman constable, woman constable of police.
one we do not know what constable or what.
In-
A helpless
in the
lady
FIR.
was modesty of a helpless lady was outraged. Not only that, her house was ransacked, and further that this was not the first incident. Earlier also similar action, similar offences were committed by the present applicant, present petitioner, and accordingly, he was affair was lost by the lady. However, police on the understanding of the investigating authority on the undertaking of the petitioner that he will not repeat such kind of behavior in future, the affair was not registered. He repeated again the same thing, and accordingly he was arrested. The investigating authority, while arresting and producing the accused, has given an application why given an explanation why the guidelines of the Honorable Supreme Court in case of
Ernest Kumar,
Ernest Kumar and
state of Bihar.
Ernest Kumar was not followed.
And
According to the investigating authority, the petitioner is a man of violent nature and continuously triggering the victim woman even after registration of the case. And the fact that previous occasion he also for the reason that even after giving undertaking that he will not commit such mistake, he was not commit such mistake. He again repeated the same thing. Such explanation was duly accepted by the learned magistrate while learned magistrate, and in its order dated 12/8/2023 thoroughly dealt with the issue of the ratio laid down by the Honorable Apex Court in Ernest Kumar versus State of Bihar. Considering the aforesaid matter and the behavior of the petitioner, this court is not inclined to even call for the case diary. Accordingly, the present bail application stands dismissed.
Lordship Satyendra Kumar Amti.
I will give that. If you are insisting on,
Lordship, I apologize kindly for that.
call for the case diary. Fixing on to an early.
On 14/9, my lord.
Huh?
Itanagar, Guwahati. 14/9.
14. 49 will be a little bit late. Keep early.
Yes, my lord. On my.
Every judgment is have its own implication. Every judgment can be interpreted in different way. Mind it.
8/9, my lord.
8/9. Everything having an exception. Yes, next case. Yes,
May I please your lordship? May I please your lordship?
okay, considering GSTN as
Yes, yes.
interim,
Yes.
CBN interim, when
On my lord, 12th of October.
12 October, go and give
Obliged,
statement.
deeply obliged.
CD,
Like interim, because my lord, I was not in on duty, my lord, because who has incorporated the records, my lord.
but
He was,
you are the person who issued the certificate.
no, my lord. Puspalata Borakakuti maintained the records. That's why all papers seized, my lord. I'll cooperate, my lord. All paper, letters, all the papers have been already seized by the police.
But signature was your,
No, my lord. On the
You
basis of the records, I have to issue, my lord. Earlier, that
but
record was
record is something different. And
No.
there is a finding of the division bench.
92, 93, my lord, up to 92, 93.
Now
it
you
was-
see you see your certificate. You are a headmistress. You
Yes,
ought
my
to have applied your mind.
15, my lord. On the basis of the records, I have to.
Otherwise, my lord, he is the person, my lord, who has issued that certificate.
Ah,
And, my
see,
lord, and because
here
of that,
see, kindly see the thing.
জয়যুক্ত বৰ্মন সুভাষ বৰ্মন মৰিগাঁও আৰু পাহাৰগুৰি in 1971 ডিচেম্বৰ মাহৰ 31 তাৰিখত বিদ্যালয় শিক্ষা শেষ হয়। এই বিদ্যালয়ৰ পৰা তৃতীয় শ্ৰেণীৰ পৰীক্ষাত দ্বিতীয় বিভাগ উত্তীৰ্ণ হৈছে। বিদ্যালয়ত তেওঁৰ চৰিত্ৰ ভাল আছিল। অতি বহী মতে তেওঁৰ জন্ম তাৰিখ That record was incorporated by Puspalata Kakuti, my predecessor. I will cooperate the investigation. Forty Bohimote. Record was maintained by Puspalata Kakuti, my
Where is your statement?
that is my lord paragraph, my lord. I have mentioned there in 5, my lord. Page 4. The actual case is there. One Joyukta Burman came to their school with a view to obtain school certificate who left the school in 1971. In
But it's easy to not responsibility that to look into the record.
the earlier record was, my lord, due to fact that record was not, it should be continuation of the earlier registration. That was not mentioned in the registration book.
Whatsoever,
Ah.
you are a division bench is directed to register an FIR
But,
against specifically against you and prima facie finding that these are
If-
fraudulent and manufactured.
if,
You will give an early date.
yes, my
but
lord.
if anything is there, my lord, I'll
Interim is difficult.
otherwise, my lord, police is arresting her, my lord.
Oh,
She is the headmistress, my lord. She is all available, my lord.
But division bench has specifically has taken your name and on the direction of a division bench, the FIR was registered.
No, division. My
Yes.
name is not there. My name is
Headmistress name is there. Your
only
name is not necessary. Kindly see. Because on the basis of the certificate, FIR was directed to be lodged. Is that it?
but the record was maintained by
Understand?
Yes,
The certificate was issued.
Yes, sir.
And that certificate was prima facie view of division bench was decision fraudulent document.
Yes, my lord. That is correct, my lord. But that is that
And
record.
a preliminary report is said to be submitted.
Yes. If anything is there in the records, only your lordship will take it. Otherwise, my lord, because my lord, the record was maintained, all everything are there.
When have you joined this school?
2011, my lord. RC maintained the record 1993. I have mentioned, my lord. In the paragraph.
Paragraph?
Paragraph 5, my lord. But the information was on the basis of admission register of 92-93 only. It is also to be noted here in that the say admission register was filled up by the register of petitioner. That is the earlier head teacher, namely Puspalata Bora Kakoti.
Okay, considering petition, application,
দ্বিতীয়
considering
Uh,
the submission
okay.
and specific statement on the basis of specific statement at paragraph 7,
Five.
that paragraph 5,
Yes.
that the certificate was issued on the basis of the record maintained in the school,
Yes.
and said record were created not during the tenure of the present petitioner, however,
Hmm.
during the tenure of earlier
Headmistress
headmistress, namely
Puspalata Bora Kakoti.
Puspalata Bora Kakoti, and the petitioner issued the certificate on the basis of the record maintained in the school. Full stop. Considering the above, it is also submitted that all the record has already been seized and petitioner has already cooperated with the investigating authority, being the in view of such fact, till the case diary is produced, the as an interim measure, it is provided as Spencer within 10 days, FPR before get her statement recorded.
High level.
11-10.
11.
Please, your lordship.
My lord, in this case, earlier one
Report,
report was called for,
ah.
report not yet received. my lord.
So, lordship, actually, what happened, lordship, in this case, almost 9 months gone, lordship, they have failed to submit, lordship, charge sheet. So, lordship, only one mobile
I'll
phone
get
is
the
pending.
instruction. my lord.
Mobile phone is
When
lying
have
there,
you
lordship.
fixed that case for delivery of product, AM product?
On tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow to not possible. I am not keeping well. I will even not take up hearing matter.
Hmm.
Please this matter tomorrow.
Yeah.
In the meantime, Bhattapur may obtain.
Yes, my lord, I'll get that.
Obliged, lordship.
If the petitioner he filed a
Almost
petition,
everything is over.
Sure.
Everything is over. We're too late in the day.
Yes.
lordship, kindly there is the record, lordship. I have
I
arranged the
understand. Your case is that you have not contradicted the IO
Yeah.
with the statement of 161.
Sure. lordship.
Will not that be a filling up of lacuna
And my lord, case is fixed for argument.
argument?
It's not filling of lacuna. Lacuna is the inherent defect. Here we have just failed to the trial court engaged counsel. He has failed to contradict the statement made for the first time in the court, and that is the only implicating statement. And here in this case, your lordship will find the case was fixed for the IO. IO. So it was assumed that the IO will appear and it will be contradicted. Ultimately, on 22/6/23, the prosecution evidence was closed. So
IO did not appear.
the other IO, part one IO was examined,
Hmm.
with the contradiction was not.
Who
put to-
recorded the statement? Whether that IO was examined.
That most probably he was examined. He was the PW12.
So if he was examined, if you have not put the question, not
yes,
confronted with the record,
That is true. Because not as a otherwise
one thing is
one day.
disturbing me is these contradictions were vital in this case.
Yes, that was not discussed whether it is essential for the jurisdiction of the case.
Or not,
while
that has
rejecting-
not been discussed.
While otherwise, my lord, while those prosecution, my lord, evidence were closed. At that point of time, defense counsel was present
Present.
and thereafter, my
In
lord,
fact, 12
2-3 dates, my lord,
witnesses examined, gone, then
Gone.
matter was fixed
fixed
for
for argument. At that
That
point
is
of
true.
time,
that
there
is
is,
true.
they have not raised
Whether
any objection.
that is
No,
essential for the jurisdiction of
But
that
and
matter.
this matter relates to the year.
2011. But
11, my lord.
it is not for the. It was
No,
not.
no, I am not saying it, but it's a matter of 2011. and you have cross-examined all the witnesses,
All the
Yes, sir.
including the IO,
IO.
and you have not contradicted him with the one
That was the
sixty
latest on the part of the
whether that laches
Counsel.
or lacuna.
Correct.
Laches is lacuna. Can
That-
that
that-
be allowed to be
not the
in the this is one.
inheritance.
And other part is that this is necessary.
Essential. That is the
When is the
300.
next date?
Next date is on 5th of this month.
Then my lord,
September.
a time frame may be fixed.
Yes,
If in
not
case of
difficult.
otherwise,
Even we are ready to pay the expenses if required because the person is
probably order passed by
later-
the learned trial court at this point of time, my lord. Otherwise, there is no illegality in the order passed by.
No
the
illegality in that. But except that, where is the impugn order? To thoroughly discuss
Lordship 32.
32.
Delay part was discussed that there was that.
Only delay and delay part.
But whether essential for the jurisdiction of the case, because otherwise 12 witnesses were examined, nobody has implicated. These 2 witnesses, they have implicated by improving their statement, and that part was not confronted. That was the part of the council,
This fixed on 5th
5th of September.
of September. We are on holidays 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the before 5th? What is the next available date? Let me apply my mind. Think about
Lordship.
1st of September.
Yes.
We'll
Of the week, seeking the matter in the past.
on first we'll decide on that date.
Lordship,
Today there is no proper application of mine.
Lordship, I'll leave it to you.
You satisfy us that in this kind of situation, it will not amount to a lacuna, filling up the above.
I'll try.
Next, yes,
This revision is against the impugn order passed by the Learned Traditional Physician in
this
Himachal.
practice is starting ban guarantee. Where is the order, impugn order?
So let the page 12 lawsuit, operative person page 13 lawsuit.
We have passed an order in case of a bank guarantee.
Yes, lawsuit, I have also annexed an order lawsuit.
No, that is not. We cannot pass order. Sorry to say. We cannot pass orders like in one line.
Page 15 lawsuit, I have
We
annexed.
have passed an order where bank guarantee was imposed. We given an example why it should not be. Insisted security can be otherwise.
Yes.
Which case?
So I have also annexed an order lawsuit, page 15 lawsuit, passed by this honorable court.
This court.
Not this court, but the
That
coordinate
is
bench of
what,
this court.
that is,
Even lawsuit, there is lots of court, order lawsuit, passed by this coordinate bench lawsuit, now a high court.
okay, will pass this order. This court.
No, lawsuit, the other coordinate bench of this honorable court. All of 5 coordinate bench of this honorable court. The imposing bank guarantee is a bearing law. I have also annexed in my petition a page lawsuit 15 lawsuit and
Okay, we'll go by this.
lawsuit. I have lawsuit.
Yes. Disposal.
Yes. Learned, my lord, two impugned orders, whereby the Zimma of the vehicle of the Zimma has been rejected.
Hmm.
First order says 35. 16/11/2022,
Phase
35. Relevant portion says 37.
Tata Tiago.
But investigation was not completed, so he cannot be considered. Also, liberty given to file a fresh Zimma petition. Thereafter, filed another Zimma petition, says 38. That is the order 5/1/2020. By this petition also, by this petition
Tomorrow.
also.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Time. In relation to Zimma to vehicle.
Hmm. Where is the rejection?
Last page, page 20,
28.
27 and 28. 28, 28 and 29.
Third sentence, decision petition for Jima of a vehicle says in connection with Jima of vehicle file of page 28, vehicle number and sentence. Mr. Botha could shall obtain a report from the investigating officer. Is it on
On 12/9.
12?
Two vehicles are there.
The two vehicles, give the number to two and two.
One is AS 22H.
Give us slip to her. But the number of the vehicle in the police.
May I please, Your Lord?
Yes.
First, it is a revision petition
Hmm.
against the order passed by the Honorable Special Judge Boxo Lordship,
Hmm.
thereby refusing to accept the bail bond to be furnished by the accused in terms of the bail order passed by the Honorable TGM. Lordship will find the page impugn order page number 32, Lordship. The petition was held to be not maintainable, Lordship.
What is wrong in this order?
Lordship, whatever in this case, actually, initially a case was registered under section
She was
360.
specifically in the FIR, it was stated that she was 16 years.
Lordship,
Isn't it?
363 IPC, the FIR was registered. Lordship.
So on the face of it, it involves a case of
Lord-
POCSO, or in during the course of investigation,
Lordship,
it was found that it is a case of
Lord-
under a special act.
Lordship,
Now bail was granted considering the section 366
bailable offence.
bailable.
Lord.
Now it's not, now offences are added, not why don't you file a bail application?
But Lordship, earlier bail order is still in force, Lordship.
Earlier
The bail
bail
order.
order in respect to of an
Section.
FIR where offence is bailable.
Lordship,
When new sections are added, will it be automatic that you will be entitled for bail in that case also?
but that bail order has to be cancelled, Lordship. In
Not
the-
necessarily,
in
that
accordance
bail
with
order in respect of 366, but you are, under
Subsequently,
six.
section 6 of the POCSO
why
added-
don't you file a, instead of complicating the matter, why don't you file a bail application and a fresh bail application before this court or before that?
But Lordship, without that bail order being cancelled, Lordship, the petitioner could not have been denied the benefit of that order, Lordship. Because their bail order has to be cancelled.
Bail was granted in which case, under what section? By which authority?
In this case, Lordship,
In this case, by whom?
by Lordship and CCM. Lordship.
Now, can a CGM grant bail in a case of POCSO?
No, Lord.
If no, then what to do?
But Lordship, then the special judge ought to have accepted the bail bond in the absence of cancellation, Lord.
Issue notice.
In the absence of cancellation, Lord.
I cannot pass an order today itself. We will have to issue notice. You will be inside. Issue notice, returnable on given date immediately.
But for that maybe.
But I have serious doubt on this. 7th of September 2023. In the meantime, Kotha Court shall obtain the case diary in respect of in respect of
Case diary, Lordship, as well as case record.
why case record? Case
It is
record
in the court of the learned special judge.
no, we want the case diary. How for section 6 was
Tinsukia
added.
PS case number 401
Tinsukia PS case number 401
oblique 2023.
oblique 2023 registered on,
Well, in this case, already started submitted. No.
so that's why we'll see.
Yes.
But we are not here to advise.
But
we are here to decide. Yes, next year.
Oblige. Notice to respond number 2. Lordship.
Of course, talk to notice to respond to us.
I raise the post.
I raise the and be there till the notice is
Oblige.
yes.
The revision under 397 401
Mm.
against the revision of the passed by the session court below. District Kacha. Lordship, kindly see, it is in page 38,
Uh-huh.
that
Yeah.
annexure 3, which
Mm.
is we are challenging before this honorable court. So here what has happened, 4 numbers of FIR were lost in the police station, Lakshipur PS. Lakshipur PS amalgamated these 4 numbers of FIR and they filed a chapter.
Mm.
Now, in that 4 numbers of FIR, Lordship, in the first 2 numbers of FIR, the name of this present petitioner is figuring. I have annexed all the FIRs, Lordship,
Mm.
starting from page number 48 to page number 19.
Now, what is impugned here?
Yes, impugned is page number 38, Lordship, annexure number 3. What has happened? The learned court below came to a finding that, of course, under 406 and 420 charge cannot be framed, either one will be framed, but he is adding 120, which was earlier not there. My submission before Lordship is very limited.
Yes.
Here, what has happened, if Lordship kindly see, either on the FIR or on the 161 statement, there is nothing against this petition. Only the finding is this, that there were certain materials against him in the case date. Now, my submission is regarding 172. Lordship. The case diary may be an aid to evidence, but case diary by itself is not an evidence. So, if it is put to trial, Lordship, perhaps nothing will come. That is why we are before your Lordship. Otherwise, there is nothing against this person, not a single whisper by any of the witnesses.
This was revision against what?
It was revision against framing of charge.
Well, earlier already, well, paragraph 2, well, page 6, paragraph 2.
Uh-huh.
Already, unless this is second revision.
Yes, yes. Let me-
That your
No, no, my-
ground has been rejected by the sessions court.
Absolutely. We filed a
Revision.
discharge petition before the SDGM Lakshipur.
Then this was
Then
that was
this-
rejected. This is the second revision.
Yes. That is why I am limited towards only the final point of law. Lordship. I am not going to the factual point.
Notice.
Only on 175. I pray Lordship if some
Give a date.
Yes, 15/9.
We'll decide on the date. Possible 15th September.
before the trial will be over. It is fixed on 28.
Trial will be over means
They fixed it on 28
For?
For prosecution witnesses, and since it is a
first
matter-
time.
Yes, it is a
Then
matter
you
of,
say that the trial will
there
be
is an order, Lordship. There is an order that it is a matter of 2010, so they want to do it regularly, day to day basis.
when the trial will start?
28, Lord.
28th of
28.
this month.
Oh, God, yes.
12th of September. 15th of September. Notice returnable on 15th of September. For our accept. No, we are not issuing notice to any other at this time. Any other party?
Informant, there are 5 informants. We have made all of them a part.
Not necessary. At this stage, no, there is no necessity.
I am deeply upset.
What will they do? Are they necessary?
Lordship, in fact, now if 120B is added,
Hmm.
they will have to step in the shoes of an accused. Because they were the agent who have collected the money.
We'll see that, but I do not think for your case they are necessary in view of our High Court rule.
We have made them party because they were informed.
Issue notice only to the respondent number 1.
Deeply upset. Can we file a petition before? I'm just disturbing Lordship for a single moment of time. 28 it is fixed. And the court is of the view that
Nothing will happen. We will not say anything. We know
Lordship,
nothing will.
Lordship,
You
Lordship,
also know.
Lordship,
You have been there for long.
Lordship.
You know it. Yes, Mr. Sin.
Yeah, conviction has been affirmed by the session judge, my lord. The
Period.
period is 5,000 has been modified to 2,000. These are government servant, that's why my lord. His head.
Notice returnable steps. Notice after 6 steps. Okay. IA notice returnable until return of notice. Impugn sentence passed by 20 shall remain.
Alright.
Only sentence, not that.
Alright.
May please. Report was called for you.
Huh?
Report was called for
But
regarding Zimma 43 battle nut.
yes, whatever anything.
My lord, kindly taken out after the file is also, my lord. 12, 13. No, this was kindly taken up after some time, my lord. 12 and 13. File is not added, 12. Okay. Okay.
Right. My lord, the facts are a bit peculiar here, my lord. There's two petitioners, my lord.
Hmm.
They were, or they are actually the partners of a company, the directors of a company. They, my lord, in joint venture with two others, my lord, who are the complainants, entered into an agreement of joint venture and submitted a bid for work for the FPTCL, my lord, at Jorhat. The joint venture agreement is at Annexure 1, case 21. The petitioner's company, my lord, the Power Network Engineers, they are the lead partner, as can be seen from page 22 of the
What is
SDB
the
agreement.
complaint?
My lord, I'm coming to the complaint. Before going to the complaint, just two documents, my lord, I'm pointing out. That as to what happened actually. Then Annexure 2, my lord, there's a power of attorney saying that the lead partner is entitled to do everything.
This is what is it? This is a complaint case.
My lord, complaint case. I am
They
against
file a complaint at page 44.
case 44, my lord.
Art with the Pathak Learning Council for the petitioner on not issue notice. Returnable. Who are the parties here?
My lord, the state and two complainants, my lord. BNB Associates and Posum Enterprise, who were my joint venture partners. Dispute is basically I closed the second bank account that we had opened at Jorhat
That has been-
because of the RBI guidelines, my lord. Now the trial court, while taking cognizance, my lord, has overlooked that, my lord.
issue notice returnable after 6 weeks. Mr. Bhattakur accept notice on behalf. Why Bhattakur is a party?
My lord,
It's a private complaint.
my lord, private complaint, my lord.
Respondent number 1.
Passport number 1. No formal notice. However, extra copies to Bhattakur. And notice to respondent number 2 and 2 within 5 days. Both days registered. Considering the nature of allegations made in the complaint petition, which is suggestive of a civil dispute arising out of a contract, which court is of the future. Further proceeding of the criminal CR case number
83 of 21.
2021. Pending report
Munsif comes AMFC 4. Jorhat.
shall remain state.
Deeply okay.
Yes, where is this?
Your Lordship, kindly send to page number 58, Your Lordship. This is a cognizance order here, Annexure T.
Annexure
D,
page
page 58.
staircase.
Yes, this is staircase. Here, these accused petitioners are all the residents of Lucknow, Your Lordship.
All resident of
Resident of Lucknow. Your
Whether notice served to my lord respondent number.
Lordship. On previous
no,
occasion,
anything
second copy of-
LCR was called for,
LCR
second
received.
copy-
received.
Because my lord, no one appeared on behalf of respondent. No.
Have you taken steps?
No, just notice is not yet issued, Your Lordship. Already only a scan copy was called for on previous occasion.
Then my lord, notice need to be issued, my lord.
Here,
What
Your
is your ground that they are from the
They are from the Lucknow, Your Lordship.
uh,
And the trial court at the time of taking cognizance, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
the provision of 202 was not considered properly. Your Lordship. That is the matter. In here, this respondent number 2 has taken two plea in two different cases, Your Lordship. In complaint case, he has taken
what is the
different-
complaint?
Your Lordship.
What is the complaint, please?
It's page number 22, Your Lordship. Here, this allegation is that before marriage, a girl of 24 years of age was shown, but but marriage was solemnized with a girl of 35 years old. That is the cheating and impersonation is there.
They are of Kumar Parasari Ali.
Yes.
No, no, Your Lordship, it is page number 22, Your Lordship.
Okay, Guria Singh.
Yes, these are the relatives of this complainant's wife, Your Lordship.
Relatives of complainant's wife.
Wife.
Who is Binoy Singh?
Vinay Singh, he is the complainant, Your Lordship.
What is his complaint?
His complaint is that before marriage, a girl of 24 years of age was shown, and when after marriage he came to know that she is 35 years of old. That is impersonation. He has alleged impersonation.
Okay, now who is the girl party?
Here the girl was also not made party or
Girl is not made party.
party. And next is that
So Binoy Singh married that girl.
yes, Your Honor, yes.
And who are these Guria Singh, Ravi
These are the
Bhushan?
relatives, Your Honor.
Relatives means what relatives? Father, mother,
No,
sister,
that is long
long distance. They have arranged this marriage.
this
Hard-
marriage. And
hard-
what happened, Your Lordship, here? This Vinay Singh has also filed one.
Hard Mr. Swenson, Learned Council for a petition. Also hard is the bottom of Learned Council. Present application is filed. Assailing. An order dated 25/11/2022. In the proceeding being complaint case number 5544/2022 pending before the learned Judicial Magistrate First Class Kamrup Metro Guwahati
Within bracket Munsi 4 Your Honor.
filed against the accused petitioner alleging commission of offense under section 294, 417, 506, 34 of the Indian Penal Code. The basic allegation is that the complainant basic allegation is that the complainant married. Where is the complaint? Page.
Page 22, Your Lordship. Annexure A. Page 20.
According to the complainant married one relative of the present petitioner accused person. And the allegation is that said marriage was arranged by the present petitioner making conspiracy showing another girl in place of the lady whom the petitioner married. Full stop. The learned court has taken cognizance of the offences under under its order dated 25/11/2020. Issue notice returnable after 6 weeks. Step within 5 days, both ways, considering the matter in entirety, including the allegation that no inquiry
Yes.
as provided under section
202 CRP.
202 CRPC was not made inasmuch as the respondent, the present petitioner accused are admittedly not residents of the, or are not residents of Assam. Assam, comma, the further proceeding of so and so. It is provided that further proceeding of so and so shall remain suspended.
Deeply all right.
May it please your Lord.
Yes.
The petitioners herein are praying for quashing of the CR case number 2 of 2023
Mm,
under section 498A and 406, your Lord.
Who are you?
I am the petitioner, complainant's husband. Petition number 2 is the complaint husband's father, the father-in-law. Petition number 3 is the mother-in-law. Petition number 4 is the sister-in-law of the complainant, your Lord.
Who is the complaint?
Your Lordship will find the complaint on page 30, your Lordship. Your Lordship, a mere reading of the complaint, your Lordship, would suggest, your Lordship, at times it seems ridiculous and at many a times it's confusing, your Lordship. The content of the complaint, your Lordship. Your Lordship, there is no specific allegations, your Lordship. There are general accusations, your Lordship, and it's a counter blast, your Lordship. Your Lordship, the petition number 1 works in Intel technology, your Lordship. He had an excellent academic record, your Lordship.
That cannot give you
Yes,
license.
your Lordship.
Don't argue that.
Yes, your
Say
Lordship.
that no case is made out.
Yes, your Lordship.
Who is he? We are not concerned.
Yes, your Lordship. Your Lordship, prior to
He may be in Intel, he may be in
Yes,
Google.
Your
That
Lordship.
is not the concern.
Your Lordship, prior to lodging of this complaint case, your Lordship, the petitioner side filed some complaint against her, your Lordship. Whether family
Hard.
member,
Mr. Rancho learned counsel for application. The present application is filed. Where is the cognizance order?
your Lordship will find it on page 47.
Page
47.
Present application is filed. Peruse the complaint petition as well as the statement of the persons, statement of the accused and other witnesses recorded under section 202,
202, your lordship.
202,
Section 200 and 202.
200 and plus 202. Full stop. Considering the matter in entirety and reading the complaint, this court is of prima facie view, subject to further consideration that the allegations made are general and omnibus, and no specific case either under 406 or 498A made out. In that view of the matter, to notice returnable after 6 weeks. Considering the appropriate, the further is provided that further proceeding of so criminal CR case number 20.
My please, your lordship.
Yeah.
Today is 8 days, your lordship.
Yes, Gothakur, what is the
Yes.
allegation?
Allegation was Jibon Das file. It is that case, your lordship. Sitaram Thakur Bari, your lordship.
Oh, Sitaram. Why have you not filed charges?
Yes, police has stated that FSL report has not yet received. That is because today is my lord Jibon Das 48 days. And second item 21, Kopian Batsa 47 days.
One is Jibon Das, one is Alta Hussain.
Kopian Batsa, my lord,
What is
21.
Alpha 2529?
No, my lord.
What is it? Okay. 21. No?
20 and 21.
So
my
it is to the satisfaction of
lord.
CSDM. 1 lakh each. Alright. With the condition that they will not visit the come to the
Lordship, CD not received.
CD not received. What is the allegation?
Allegation, lordship,
How many days?
yes, today is 49 days.
What is the allegation?
Allegation, pen page number lordship 15,
Yes.
married lordship.
Yes.
I have the honor to inform you that inquiry has been initiated by Economic Intelligence Unit, Assam, and on modus operation of MS Amrit Traders, GST number so and so, registered in Assam under GST number 2017.
Now
At
I
the time
recall.
of registration, the commodity declared by the taxpayer
49
was,
days.
yes, sir.
You might have interrogated him. All these are documentary things. Or what?
Yes, sir.
49 days.
Yes.
To the satisfaction of?
Commissioner Lord,
To the satisfaction of? Who will give you?
CGM Lordship.
TGM where? Dibrugarh?
No.
Arunachal Pradesh?
Kamrup Metro.
That is what I am.
Third Lord.
Same Kamrup.
Bless you.
Lordship, this case is transferred to Lordship, BIO Lordship. So we have to call the CD from the BIO PSS number 3/23. Lordship.
Okay, then what to do?
CD may be called for Lordship from BIO PSS number.
But we have says call for the case there. You call from where it
Lordship,
the case diary call for is not received. Please the matter on. This BI is in what teacher?
3/23. 30th of September. Oh,
30th of
sorry,
September,
August. Lordship.
30th of 308.
Interim order.
Interim is here.
Interim.
Interim order. Habla.
Lordship, here CD received Lordship interim granted on 23/1/2023. Lordship, till date they have not appeared Lordship.
Okay. None appears for a petitioner on call. None did represent the petitioner when the matter was called on 27/7/2023. It is submitted, the city case diary call for is produced. Full stop. The learned additional public prosecutor submits that subsequent to the interim order passed, the petitioner has not appeared. Subsequent to the interim order passed on 23/1/2023, the petitioner has not appeared before the investigating authority to record his
Yes, sir.
statement. Full stop. Be that as it may, as none appears to the petitioner on call, the present application shall stand dismissed. The interim order stands vacated. Interim order passed earlier than
May it please your lordship.
yes.
Your lordship, my senior is on leg in court one. Kindly the matter be passed over for
We are passing it over. Moment we finish the list, will not come back.
apply. Lordship, CD not received, interim is there, lordship.
Okay.
Interim.
When?
Lordship on 11th of September.
7th of September. Interim.
Okay. That is the CD received, lordship.
Who is the affair?
The statement recorded.
Affair? Okay.
Lordship, one bail objection, one line is that lordship, during the period of the interim bail, he frequently tried to take the possession of the disputed land forcefully. Otherwise, materials are
If
there,
you
lordship.
just have your instruction from your client, we are taking up after 5-10 minutes, whether he wants to go inside the jail or inside the disputed land. Option is yours. Option is yours. Just come after 10 minutes. We'll give whatever you want, either to jail or rest you do whatever you do. But you have two options, two gates, either to the disputed land or to the jail. Yes. We'll ask them to surrender. Yes.
34 lordship, CD not received, lordship. From Kamrup lordship on
Any interim?
interim,
Huh?
interim is there,
When?
lordship. On lordship, 18th of September, lordship.
18th of September, interim. Okay.
May I please your lord.
Yes.
Case diary was called.
Yes,
Lordship, interim was there and he has appeared.
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 you do not require his custodial.
Lordship, he was the bank manager. He's the bank manager. The person is
Considering the materials so far collected, full stop, comma, and materials so far collected, and also considering the fact that the petitioner cooperated the investigation and recorded his statement, got his statement recorded on the 161 chat. That's all.
Deeply obliged, lord.
CD not received.
Any
Interim is there.
Yes. When?
September.
September 18th.
18 interim.
My lord, case diary was called for. In fact, I have not been named in the FIR. I have been called as a witness.
So,
Subsequently, my lord, they are saying when I was called, I requested them to for what purpose I have been called. Then they are saying just you bring documents and all, but they are not disclosing the document. So we did not appear. We keep asking them. Thereafter, this we approach this honorable court. This honorable court protected us, my lord. Accordingly, I appeared before the IO. and we have given our
Where is the FIR?
FIR page 26, Your Lordship.
23.
26.
What is 23?
20. 23 is
Transfer the case to there. Anyway, anyway.
26.
FIR is at page?
26 to 6. And the relevant page is page 28. There is no allegation, not a single. Otherwise, you also police has not jury, no jury. Police has no jurisdiction. Why? Okay. Like economic offense, right? DIU investigation. Have you
Yes, sir.
My
He is
lord,
one of the purchaser.
yes, ma'am. This Dulu Day, he used to show that
That-
he has purchased coal from some other state and sold to this person along with some other. Now he appeared on the strength of the interim order and produced certain documents. The documents were seized. And when on documents, questions are put to him because these documents are not authentic. No signature is there. In the tax invoice,
All
no
fake
signature,
documents. Pop
all,
packet.
all fake documents. And he remains
How
silent.
they benefit? They make it black money to white money.
Actually, my lord, this what these are all smuggled coal from Meghalaya. They show it from UP or Bihar, some Jharkhand, like this. Well, these things are happening. My lord, this is a racket. With all respect, I
May I explain? I think my learned friend could not understand what is the allegation. ITC. Allegation is this: there is no sale and purchase, but at the time of filing return and GST, we have claimed ITC, and accordingly that claim is illegal, and we have taken money. So far as the allegation on me is concerned, there is no allegation because I have not claimed ITC. If your lordship has gone through FIR, the person, Mr. Dev, he has been benefited. If something is there, he has been benefited because he has claimed ITC. So I have been
Then
whatever the
ITC will come back to his account
it is it.
and he will give it to you.
No, cannot. It can.
But
Number one,
they-
number two,
this-
your lordship.
And
For this purpose, my lord, special
and this question and answer.
We'll see.
Special-
Yes, yes.
special act, AGST Act has been enacted, your lordship. And in the AGST Act, well, there is a specific provision to deal with such provision. And subsection 2 of section 6 of AGST Act, your lordship, it, my lord, empower proper officer for the purpose of the such issues, your lordship. When the special act is there, your lordship. In my humble submission, my lord, police has no authority.
File a quashing application.
So that is true, your lordship. But so far as bail part is concerned, my lord, against me, my lord,
When there is 468, 471, 420,
So he
They
will
have
be
not
acting
registered-
because this is a
they
case
have
of
not-
GST.
they have not registered any offense under GST Act. That is, they are not,
That's
they are
why
not
my-
there.
they have registered it, but that's why if the special
Come
act,
for quashing. That
True,
is
your
the
lordship.
tax will
but
cost.
so far as I am concerned, your lordship, I appeared, whatever the documents are required to be seized, that has been seized. I am cooperating with the investigation. Whenever they will call, I will go, my lord, I will.
Because this is a matter of GST as my learned friend says,
That I will.
so my lord, he should be exonerated from all criminal liabilities.
If that is so, then
That is
tomorrow
what is
police will
you are
do-
submitting. I
will
have
go
not
at
understood.
My home and do the income tax assessment, and they will say that there is a misdeclaration in income tax. Then what is the purpose of income tax department then? When the special department has been constituted, enacted. My lord, in my humble submission, my lord, this is whatever the documents are required to be, my lord, that has been done. All are documentary evidences, your lord. I am cooperating with the investigation. So, interim protection granted to me, my lord, it may be made active. Whenever they will call, I will go. Your lordship may put any condition. In fact, BIO should appoint some expert. They are going in different line. In fact, in similar situated condition, your lordship, so many 82 applications were filed. And this honorable court has stayed the investigation.
Against this Dulude, my lord, charge sheet has been
No,
filed.
huh?
Against this Dulude, the FIR named accused, charge sheet has been filed.
Not against me.
What is ITC claim?
Input tax credit.
Hard, Mr. Goel, learned counsel. Also hard that is in a fiction. Mr. Goel submits that the matter, if on the basis of the matter, in fact, relates to allegations of evasion of tax. Therefore, the police will have no authority to have investigation done in view of special provision under the
Under section 6
Six of
subsection 2
of
of AGST
SGST of
2017.
SGST. Further, it is submitted that his client is not named in the FIR and his client has cooperated with the investigating authority after he was granted interim protection by this court. Per contra, Mr. Investigator, therefore, there is no necessity for any custodial interrogation. Accordingly, the present bail application may be allowed, imposing any condition. Per contra, Mr. Das, learned counsel, learned additional public prosecutor, referring to the case diary, submits that the case involved the offences under 468 and 422, in as much as the statement of
120B is also,
the
120B is also.
120B is also there. And there are sufficient material to show that the tax invoices were are manufactured documents and forged documents. Therefore, in view of the aforesaid fact, the police will have jurisdiction to investigate in this case, inasmuch as there is a huge conspiracy to conspiracy to obtain undue profit by making fake
Claim.
fake claims as well as fake invoice, etc. Peruse the material available on record, including the statement of the accused. Full stop. Considering the nature and involvement, magnitude of involvement in this case, this court is of the view that this is court of the view that this is not a fit case where the privilege of anticipatory bail should be granted. Accordingly, the same is dismissed.
Sorry, my lord, item 36, my lord, the previous item. Lordship has passed an order,
What order I have passed? None appeared,
my lord, my presence may be shown, that an interim was there.
but earlier also none appeared. Okay,
No, rapid.
Yes.
An interim was, to
yes, interim we consider.
my presence may be shown.
Yes,
Kesari was called for in this case.
Darshit Samudra Lordship.
that's it. Sir. Any interim?
No, no, no.
Okay.
CS number Lordship 244/23 dated 25/07/2020.
In connection with Senso case, the individual shall appear, may appear before the court. It shall be considered as part of. Because of
Lordship, item 33.
let the others matter be over. Yes, take it. Yes.
Lordship, CD not received.
Any interim?
No, Lordship.
When?
So may I pay for interim, Lordship? Page 11 is the FIR, Lordship.
On 31st of August. Lordship.
31st of. Who is the FIR?
Page 11 is the FIR.
Huh?
Page 11, Lordship. Double one. I want to cooperate with the investor, Lordship. That's why I want to appear.
Who are you? You are the injured.
No, no, I am the owner of the vehicle, Lordship.
You are the owner of the Alto.
Lordship.
And along with your driver, you went to that hospital.
No, Lord. Problem is no, Lordship.
Two persons got injured in their own bike.
I don't
One
have,
person. He fell down near somewhere.
Look,
If I remember properly, I have granted bail to those injured person. He was hospitalized. In hospital, two persons went to meet him and said that I will claim that my vehicle was
No.
my vehicle is the
not-
cause of your accident, and this Mr. Swenso will be the driver. So accordingly, a claim was made. Now we have protected the injured because he will have a hope seriously injured if somebody gives him money. Now who are you? You are owner of the Alto.
Lordship. I want to appear the IO, Lordship, because
Let the
I have to
city-
give my statement, Lordship.
let the city-
I have to give my statement, Lordship.
When?
On 31st August.
Protection.
Protection, how can you, it's not given on a day one.
Name of it.
Time will- Yes, what is this?
Report not yet received, my report is up.
When, what about?
316 days, dear Lordship. Report has not been submitted.
We will submit.
On 31.
See, to pass an order, we wanted it. That
On-
is otherwise on what basis we will allow this? Or formality's sake also we need a report.
On
Have it
yes, on 8/9, my lord.
on 8/9. This is methodology on which the support reports have produced the report. Sorry, as directed by this court under its order dated.
My lord.
I'm sorry, my lord.
Yes, no issue.
My lord, may I prevail that this matter may be taken on some other day, my lord.
It is there.
It is there, but my lord, earlier petitioner was granted interim order, and by another order, my lord, he was also granted another 10 days time to, but till now, my lord, he
He
is
is
not.
my lord
cooperated.
indisposed, my lord. That's why I'm not been able to communicate. my lord. Person is sick.
Personally sick.
We'll give the medical certificate. But your lordship will take up after
Yes.
8th of
If
September.
if possible, in the meantime,
Yes, yes.
8th of
September.
September. Interim order part earlier shall continue. This
Well,
Mr.
may I pray on 12th, my lord?
Mr. Poor Learned Senior Counsel submits that due to the illness of the petitioner, he could not appear. However, moment he is well, he will appear before the IO. Accordingly, matter is fixed on 12th of
12/9.
September, 13th of
Yes,
September
13th.
2022. In the meantime, the
My lord,
petitioner
13,
appear before
my lord, 14,
14.
in time order shall continue.
For that, why you need an adjournment?
There are certain other development of the DRT cases and all that. I'm trying to look into it.
No,
Whole case of
for that your junior is sufficient. Why for that for this why you need a senior?
your lordship knows it better.
Don't record Mr. PD course name. What is your name?
Miss S.K.
Yes, they learned counsel.
Jane.
That's it. Just inform me, he never went to the land. And somebody else,
Later he should not go.
somebody else already in the
Interim
possession.
order made absolute, however, with a condition that the petitioner will not make any attempt to go to the disputed land or to enter into the disputed land. And in the event of such, the first bail may be captured. Absolute.
In this case, lordship, appellant were directed to take steps upon response number 2. Lordship. They have taken steps.
Lordship, we have taken steps on 25/7/23 there is an office note, but on another there is an office note on 17/8/23 answer notice.
Now what to do? Take a fresh step forward. In view of office note dated 17/8/2023, the learned counsel for the petitioner press for and is granted to take fresh steps for issuance of notice upon reference number 2. Notice is made returnable after 4 weeks. Any interim?
No. No.
Criminal appeal, okay.
Appellant. May I pray for lordship to kindly furnish a paper book, lordship. Direct the office to prepare paper book. The PEP case, lordship. This is a
Single bench methods, we are reluctant to prepare and burden the registry. We'll take the burden.
Okay.
Now we'll insist on the petitioners to prepare paper book. We cannot burden the registry for all this. High Court rules is High Court rules are not necessary. Yes, item?
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
It is a criminal appeal filed against a conviction order dated 1st of September 2022 under sections 376 and 400, my lord.
Now appeal has already been admitted.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Now you want bail.
Yes, my lord. Because it has already been 11 months, 24 days, my lord.
What is the total period of
My lord, 10 years
10
imprisonment.
years in
where is the statement of the victim?
My lord, I have Tagmagna 164 as well as the PW1 is the my lord, victim and medical PW4 medically proof medical done on the next day. The incident on my lord, 28/11.
Record with that.
Yes, medical, say there is evidence of recent sexual intercourse, a lot injury marked in the body, abrasion, and
My lord, we are not disputing the fact that there was recent
No, my lord.
penetration, my lord. My lord,
Huh?
but it is not done by the accused, my lord. That is our
Ah.
case, my lord. And there is no sign that he had committed the crime, my lord.
164 and PW1 evidence both are inconsistent, my lord. There is
My lord, there are inconsistencies also, my lord.
We may examine at the time of hearing, but for the bail, we will not go in depth.
But
PW1 is the prosecutor.
yes, my lord, may the
Hmm.
next page.
Hmm.
Elaborately describe the incident. When our mother went to morning walk at about 5:15 to 5:30 a.m.
On discussing two evidence, we can right now dismiss your appeal. Option is yours.
Very bad.
Where is your contradiction? Where have you put that question that there is a contradiction?
My lord,
No other witnesses, no. And in fact, during cross-examination, reaffirm everything.
my lord, he was nervous and he could not speak properly during the cross-examination, my lord. He's a patient, my lord.
No, forget
My lord.
about him.
Yes, my lord.
Tell about her. The witness of the prosecutor. She was clear in her deposition. During cross-examination, she has reaffirmed. You have not confronted with her if there are any with the improvement or anything either in 164 or 161. No cross-examination. It will take 2 minutes to dismiss your appeal.
Medically.
Forget about bail. Two witnesses.
My lord, but we are not disputing the fact that penetration was not like the take place that day, but it is now.
No
This-
penetration is
Yes,
required.
but it is not the accused who had committed the crime, my lord. Now he went to their house to invite them for Shraddha of his mother, my lord. Instead, and there was some
But
personal, my
you
lord.
have been named that I call him Mama. He is the
Yes, my lord. If he's been falsely implicated, my lord.
why false? He will be okay. Falsely implicated. Where is your suggestion and cross-examination? Tell us. You go
Man,
through your
Yes,
cross-examination.
my lord, the cross was not taken up properly, my
So
lord.
that cannot be a ground to give. Absolutely, it's a case. It will take 2 minutes. I'm
Ma'am.
not feeling well. That's why I'm not passing this order. Considering hard benches pencil on a counsel for the application number 2. The present application is filed. The benches pencil. Peruse the statement of the victim girl, her cross-examination, and the evidence of the doctor. The evidence of the doctor. On in considering the same, this court of the view that this is not a fit case where the petitioner is entitled to bail or at this case accordingly. The IS stands dismissed. The criminal appeal be listed for hearing in its own time.
Yes, sir.
May it please, your lordship, my lord, may I peruse the office note 16823.
Okay, in view of office note dated 16/8/2023, notice this matter is ready as regards service. So accordingly, list this matter in the admission. Not yet admitted.
Not yet. Interim order to continue.
Interim pass shall continue. Fixed give it. Mr. Das will not take up the hearing matter today. So it's old matter.
My 29 of
It is your lordship. As per office note dated 17/8/2023, service report is awaited, your lordship. However, I have an interim prayer, your lordship. This is a case of two FIR for the same cause of action, 498A case, your lordship, in two different districts. I have been
The second one will be treated as a statement.
statement at best, your
If
lordship.
case is made out.
Yes, your lordship.
Is not it? They will take it to be they will transfer it.
An interim prayer,
No
your lordship,
interim today.
because he is being made to appear in both the cases. Both are charge sheeted, your lordship.
Both charge sheeted.
Both charge sheeted.
Which
It is
one you want to say?
The subsequent one, your lordship.
Where is that?
This FIR is at page 19, your lordship.
Page
19. 19 is the type copy. 21 is the photocopy. One is at Gosaigao, district Pokraja, and another is at service is awaited. We have taken steps 4 months back to traffic.
okay, let us wait for the service to put for the time. He cannot be allowed to face trial in two cases by wife under 498. Where is was the FIR?
The
What
first,
FIR?
the first FIR is at page 14, your lordship. Annexure 1.
Page 14.
Annexure 1.
Yes.
type of
Can you take a dusty service? Huh?
it will be even better.
Ah, you take in view of office not dated. Office not dated
17/8.
17/2020. The petitioner is permitted to take dusty service. Where is the first search sheet?
Filed with the additional affidavit, your lordship, page 29. Page 31 is the first step. 31.
Page 31 is the first search sheet.
First step.
Okay. 31.
Yes, sir.
You are Putul Bala.
No, lordship. Putul Bala is the Bijoy Verma,
Under section,
498.
where do we get it?
Page 32
Page 32.
in the second last paragraph. Sent up for trial under section 498.
498A. Okay, where is your name?
Lordship, it is at the first page.
You are the father-in-law,
No, lordship. Husband.
husband. Where is that? Okay, Bimola Bormon.
Bijoy Verma. Page 32 only. For the name and address of the accused person sent for trial. Page 32.
Niyoti Bormon, Bidu Bormon. Where is Bijoy?
Page 32, your lordship.
Yes, name and address of the accused sent for. Okay, Bijoy.
Sent for trial.
Okay. And where is the second search sheet?
Second charge sheet is at page 38, your lordship. Into 5 years.
Hard. Mr. Swain. What is under challenge?
The second one.
That is page 38.
38.
Okay. Where is the FIR in the second case?
Second FIR is at page 19, your lordship.
Page 19.
19 is the type copy.
Page,
21 is the photocopy.
page 19.
Page 21 is the photocopy.
Okay. Present application is filed assailing the proceeding, criminal proceeding being
PS case number, Gosaigaon PS case number 7 of the 2021.
criminal proceeding arising out of Gosaigaon PS case number
7 of the 2021.
7/2021 dated 2/1/2021
GR 10 of the 20.
corresponding to GR
10 of the 2020.
10/2021 and search sheet number 21/2021 dated 30/1/2021. It is the case of the petitioner that 2 FIR has been lodged by the respondent number 2, respondent number 2, which were registered under section 498A, and search sheet also filed in both the cases under 498A. The first case was registered as
Abhayapuri PS case number
Abhayapuri PS case number
944 of 2020.
945 of
944 of 2020.
2020, which has also been ended in search sheeted, being search sheet number
3 of 2021.
3/2021 dated
Dated 16/1/2021.
corresponding to GR number
TRC case number
PRC case number
621 of 2020.
6/21/2021.
621.
In view of the aforesaid fact, this court is of the considered opinion that on the same set of allegations, the 2 FIRs has been, this court is, in the FIR, it is clear that 2 FIRs has been lodged on the basis of same allegation and in 2 different police stations, and 2 charge sheet has been filed, and the petitioner is facing trial in both the cases. In view of the aforesaid, the further proceeding of PRC case number,
GR case number 10,
GR case number
10/2021,
10/2020,
21,
21 pending before
pending before the SDJM Gosaigaon.
SDJM Gosaigaon shall remain suspended. First, you face the
Dusty also will.
Dusty in yes.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
AP Lordship, convicted under 306 method, 5 years conviction, and with appellant number 1 is followed in custody for 1 year, 8 months, 11 days. 2 is 1 year, 5 months, 11 days. There is an IA matter. Service has already been completed.
Service is come.
Completed.
Where is the IA?
I 488.
Where is the record? Professor, go through it. We'll take up second next week.
My lord, yes, my lord. I have not gone to the LCA, my lord. My lord,
Go through it. You can go today also.
my lord, I'll look
Just note
today.
it. List this matter next week or give a date. As agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, list this matter on 31st.
31st.
Just go through it. And it helps us.
Obliged.
Please, your lord.
Yes.
Service already has been completed in this matter.
And for the respondent, I filed a wakalat nama, and we will file in opposition. So lordship sometime may be granted for the same.
Okay, this matter is ready as regards service. Accordingly, list this matter in the admission column. Give date on September 20. Any interim order?
No.
Obliged.
But here the accused, that he is in the jail for about 4 years, 6 months. As on today.
What is the total period?
Lordship, service is not completed, Lordship.
What are the offenses?
But the offenses, lordship will find
We also have to file our.
that is 10 years and to pay a fine.
Under what offense?
Offense, my lord, that is for T76 and POCTO is also added, but it will not come POCTO, my lord. And T76 also not come, because some other person was involved, and simply that FIR has been lost, saying that I did the comment, and the FIR was also filed after 7 months, by the father. And no, there was no such my lord, DNA test, my lord, nor the radiological test has been given by the girl. She refused to give the radiological test, which is stated by the doctor itself. Only she has stated whatever she has stated about 16 years, that has been recorded, madam. And she said that Agun, it is a month of 17 November to 16 December. But doctor said that the conceive was made in the month of September. They repeatedly said Agun. Agunma. And then and there she got married to Nogen Gogoi, my lord, one who laughed and who had the affair with the Nogen Gogoi. Simply I have been implicated, my lord, as because I have given the assurance to get me.
Yes, you want to file objection?
No, 2 weeks time I do. Lordship, one copy will be furnished to us. Yeah.
They are overburdened. That's why.
Now, after 4.5 years, my lord,
Problem is, we do not say that they are also doing their
When-
job.
when we
News
come,
office is
Yes.
difficult sometimes. They misplace things. We in
I
chambers
don't
we misplace the learned counsel, additional public.
otherwise
prosecutor.
this is the misfortune of the accused man, appellant.
We'll see. We'll see. Because already there is a conviction of 10 years.
Lord.
You are the Taoi of the accused, a victim. These things are there.
Implicated, my lord, already. So Lord
Cross
Supreme Court-
examination. No, she has not been second.
that part
That is the, you may say it's a problem
No.
for,
is
but this is
Yes.
the law.
no, if your lordship will compare the doctor's statement, everything will.
But it is after 7 months in Indian context, law is well settled in case of rape and all this. The delay cannot be a ground for accusation.
But here is Supreme Court judgment, my lord. If the FIR is lost after 7 months, my lord,
No, in case of rape,
yeah, lord,
see,
2008.
generally see the
And
you see that-
recently, my lord, I'm not arguing, my lord, just for lordship. Recently, I have got one judgment of this honorable court, my lord, regarding 14 years and 16 years POCSO case POCSO was also added, my lord, where this honorable court considered set aside the
well, see that the learned additional public prosecutor press for and is granted to file objection in the IA. Will not pass any order, you take effect of. That is,
তুমি move forward, Lord.
finish this matter.
After 2 weeks.
We give it after 2 weeks, but you file it so that we
Sure.
can
Sure.
let the anxiety of the victim be over. We may allow to go, we may not, but it should not be hanging on.
Sure.
25th of September.
Can it be otherwise now again the vacation will start, then matter 20 or like this?
20. Keep it 25th. If for this court, I do not think it will be vacation will disturb any.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
The matter was dismissed for non-prosecution, my lord. On 18/7/2023, my lord. The actual engaged counsel, my lord, did not properly, my lord, verify the cause list, my lord. That was not noticed by the engaged counsel, my lord. On first, my lord, 28.
What was the IA for?
I for, my lord, for restoration, my lord.
Restoration of what?
Criminal petition 639/2023, my lord. That was my listed for motion column, my lord. On 18th, kindly take order, my lord, page 6, my lord.
Okay. This is an application for restoration of criminal petition number 639/2023, which was dismissed for non-prosecution on 18/7/2023 on the motion day itself. The ground for non-representation is pleaded at paragraph
At 2, my lord.
paragraph 2 of the application. MS Das, you are Das, no?
Das.
Das, learned additional public prosecutor submits that she has no objection in restoring the connected criminal petition. Considering the explanation given as well as the submission of the learned additional public prosecutor, the present applicant stands allowed by recalling the order dated 18/7/2023, thereby restoring the criminal petition number
639/20.
639/20. No, criminal petition number
639/23.
639/2023 be restored with original file and be listed next week.
My lord, ground, my lord, in para 3, my lord.
Para
not
3.
two, para- Much obliged, lord.
Dispose of Yes. What happened to IBOR?
We have to revision you file. Basically, notice there,
What is the offense? What is the sentence?
notice
Tell us.
object method example page notice P23 20 and
What is the
P42
period? Period total?
uh,
Period.
3 months
3 months, 448.
3 months 448 notice
And?
and 6 months 323 and notice 3 months 342.
Which is the IA?
And notice it's 700 notice
707.
707 notice have notice in the revision petition. You have forgot to notice in the prayer portion forgot to return the trial court
Order.
order.
Closer. IA 700. It's an application under 2020 for suspension of considering the matter in entirety, including the period of sentence, this court is of the view that it cannot be allowed to be remain on previous bail. Previous bail is there. Remain on previous bail. Accordingly, the IA stands to IA 700. The present IA is filed with a prayer to correct, plus add and modify the prior portion of the connected revision petition, being criminal revision petition number 298 of 2020. The explanation given for such correction is at paragraph
Notice 4 from 3 notice.
paragraph 3, 4, 5, and 6. Considering the fact that the mistake is only to the effect that the description of the impugned judgments and orders were not incorporated in the prior portion of the connected revision petition, the present application stands allowed. Accordingly, the prior portion be corrected in presence of the corrected by the ISF. Yes, there is something to be called for. Somebody made a mention.
My lord, yes, regarding withdrawal of the
Wakalatnama.
by response number 2.
Oh, that
That matters, my lord, yes, 319.
We have filed an IA lawsuit, we have served with a copy, but the IA, I believe, is not of record. That's why mention was written.
My lord,
Otherwise,
lordship, in presence of my lord, because my lord affected by the private respondent number 2, my lord. He should come, he present, my lord.
Okay. It is stated that an application for withdrawal of Wakalatnama has been filed by the Learned Counsel for the respondent number 2. Same is not on record. Registry to take the same and list this matter. Fine.
Can be on 31st,
Second is possible.
then 1st of September last,
Yes, Mosumi.
because there is no stay and our part has already been completed. They were to complete their part today.
But I am not available from my lord, 2nd of September to up to 9th.
31st.
31st.
31st is
Okay.
month of like.
Highly applied.
Part 2 are not.